Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about a backpack vacuum. It's the Makita XCV05 half-gallon backpack vacuum / extractor. Josh, this looks like a Ghostbuster thing.
Well, it is. I mean, there's multi-uses for this, and what you know, there's something that's really cool. This is part of the 175 plus tool lineup that they got that you can use this with.
Okay, so your batteries are interchangeable
Yep.
with pretty much every other Makita tool that's on the 18-volt platform.
So this whole backpack right here, just over about 10 and a half pounds with the batteries.
Not too bad.
53 CFM, 2 5-amp batteries. You're running 90 minutes with it, so I thought that was pretty cool. You get a 39-inch flex hose with it. But, you know, I first just came in, I looked at it, I'm like, God, where are you going to use this? But being in the field in the past, what I love about this is that this is something I wish I had, because when we're done cleaning up and going inside the cabinets and everything, trying to carry a vacuum and not scratch the cabinets and stuff, that's what was nice about this. You could wear this on your back.
Sure.
I've used it for sanding.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right here.
Yes.
So we've got a battery random orbital sander. This thing's battery operated, so you can walk around with your sander.
Yeah. So
Totally detached. You can go anywhere you want.
That's all you do.
Dust-free, cord-free.
That's it. You
All
put
right,
it on.
you show me.
You can put it on, wear it as a backpack, one arm. You got a remote control it comes with LED light on it. LED lights.
LEDs, love them.
And then all you do is you can put this on here. I got my earbuds right here. You can buckle it together if you want, but you turn it on. There's 2 speeds to it.
So there's a remote.
Yeah,
Okay.
high or low. So it's running, and then you just turn the orbital sander on. It'll suck all the dust in it. So that's what's really neat about it. And you can turn it off. And then you got a light too, so if you want to look at something, whatever you want to do. But I just thought it was neat for the sander. Guys in the office have been using it quite a bit, and it's, I mean, there's no dust back here. Hepa Filter running in here, which is really big, you know, with all the lead and stuff that's running around with that kind of stuff. You can use this for a hammer drill, sanding, cleaning.
Yeah, any tool that has a dust cord on it,
and
right?
they make an attachment like a vacuum, you know. A lot of hardwood floor guys use them, but you just can hook that on, you can vacuum the floor with it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend getting this and vacuuming your whole house, you know, every week with it, but, you know, because it's going to get dirty. But
cool.
Yeah.
It's a nifty little vacuum.
Yeah.
It's the Makita XCV05 half-gallon backpack vacuum extractor. It's a little over $300.
No batteries.
No, without batteries, yeah, bare tool.
Bare tool.
Check it out online. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.
I mean, that's small. 10 and a
Yeah, it's
half
very, very
pounds.
small.